Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's September the 28th, 2024, and we've got a lot to talk about. Big moves in the stock market and Forex today, plus what's coming next. If you're looking for up-to-the-minute updates and solid trading insights, make sure you stick around. Let's kick things off with today's action in the stock market. We saw a mixed bag across the board. The Dow Jones dipped slightly by 0.3%, mostly dragged down by some weak performance in the tech sector. Apple and Tesla, which have been the big players lately, pulled back as investors took some profits off the table. But don't get too down. This is all pretty normal during the end of the quarter when traders are rebalancing their portfolios. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq didn't fare much better. Both indices closed down about 0.4% each, pressured by rising bond yields. We saw yields spike to their highest level in over a decade, which spooked some investors and led to a quick sell-off in tech and growth stocks. On the flip side, energy stocks were the bright spot today, with oil prices climbing over $90 a barrel. Companies like ExxonMobil and Chevron led the charge. If you've been riding the energy wave, you're sitting pretty right now. Switching gears to the Forex market, the dollar continued its rally today, hitting fresh highs against both the euro and the yen. The greenback has been on a tear lately, thanks in part to those higher U.S. bond yields we just talked about. The EUR-USD pair dropped below the 1.05 level, which is a key support area we haven't seen since early 2023. A lot of this is due to the ongoing struggles in the Eurozone. High inflation and stagnant growth have really weighed down the euro. On the yen front, USD JPY surged above 149, brushing up against the psychological 150 level. This is putting serious pressure on the Bank of Japan, which has been trying to keep rates low and prop up its economy. Any intervention rumors could spark some big swings here, so stay sharp. Let's break down some key levels and technicals to keep an eye on for tomorrow. For the S&P 500, the critical support sits around the 4,300 level. If we dip below that, it could trigger more downside pressure, possibly dragging us toward the 4,250 mark. On the upside, look for resistance near 4,400, which has been a tough barrier to break lately. Over in Forex, watch for EUR-USD to test that 1.05 support again. If we see a break below this level, the next stop could be around 1.03, which would really signal some euro weakness. For USD JPY, if the pair pushes above 150, keep an eye out for any sudden intervention talk from the Bank of Japan. They've done it before, and they could do it again. So, what's the outlook for tomorrow? Well, it's all about the data. We've got U.S. personal consumption expenditures, PCE, numbers coming out. This is the Fed's favorite inflation gauge, so you can bet traders will be glued to those figures. If inflation comes in hotter than expected, it could boost the dollar further and push stocks lower. In the stock market, keep an eye on earnings from Nike and Micron. Their reports could set the tone for tech and consumer stocks. As for Forex, don't ignore any headlines out of Japan or the Eurozone. One unexpected comment could cause a wild ride. That's it for today's market update. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more daily insights. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on where you think the market's headed. We'd love to hear from you. And as always, trade smart and stay informed. Catch you in the next one.